brother, you made it! Welcome to Malaysia!
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Dude, oh my days, look at that. Ah, this is not good. Everybody's right. Rev it!
This is like right in the heart of Saigon here. With the grid. Right there, the grid. Alright, there it is, the Gumball start grid. Guys, we will be lining the cars up there tomorrow, once again, if the SVJ is in one piece, and if it will actually start and go into gear.
Gumball 3000 is in Southeast Asia. I'm actually buzzing for this because the last time I went for Gumball 3000 it was back in like 2016. At the time they were like passing through London. Gumball 3000 was also the first time I actually got to see a car do a burnout. But for some reason they've decided to come to Southeast Asia this year, and I've been following DailyDrivenExotics for a couple of years now. So the mission of this video is to give them 2 packets of Nasi Lemak when they stop at TRX, and that's exactly where I'm headed now.
You are now approaching Tun Plaza Exchange.
Oh my god, I just got the TRX and look at the crowd. It's insane. Look at that. What Gumball is, okay? Every year there's this rally organized by what started out as a charitable organization called Gumball. They do this 5-day, 5-country drive. So it's like 5 countries, every day is one country. Open the door. This year they're coming through Southeast Asia. They started out in Vietnam, in Saigon, made their way into Cambodia, Bangkok, now Malaysia, and then Singapore. So the cars that you hear revving behind me are actually local cars. They're not actually the Gumball cars, but the Gumball cars are going to start arriving at 7 p.m. and it's going to go on until about later into the night. So guys, if you're watching this, this is Gumball! Oh, 3M12. So it's basically all gathered at this stretch all the way around. Like this is already not the worst of the crowd. The worst of the crowd is actually in there, and all the local cars have started showing up. I got my earpieces on because it's so loud. There was an SVJ that went by just now, and the exhaust was like shooting flames. So the energy here is high, and the best part is this is not even peak Gumball yet. The actual cars have not showed up. These are all locals. Oh, it broke down. Damn, McLaren's smoking. Something to be worried about. Given McLaren's history, that can be a bit scary. First car that's properly here, the Koenigsegg Regera. There are like 75 of them in the world, and it's making its round now.
Okie dokie, I've just been informed hot off the press. Our very own Zizan Razak will be on
on because I think I figured out how this thing works. Back there, you can hear all that music's coming from. That's where all the Gumball's finish line actually is. But all the cars are actually coming through this junction right here. So this is Jalan Utara, and all the cars enter as they go in, escorted by security, and they come out here. So I think I should be able to get a better shot. So there's actually a Huracan in there with an exhaust system. It's revving like crazy, chewing this massive crowd. That car alone drew this entire crowd. And now the police are here. Rev it! Rev it! You see, that's how you do it. You get it? You get it? That's how you do it. Oh, we got an Escalade. Make room, guys. It's a big car. Woo! So for those of you who don't know, this car is American. This is a Cadillac, and it is huge. Look how tall that thing is. Like, look, all these guys standing by the side, look at how tall that is. We got a Urus. And a Rolls Royce Ghost Drophead, I think. So I've decided to park myself right here in the middle of Jalan Utara. There's a lot going on. So back there is where the cars are coming in. There's a lot going on, and on this stretch here, you get the occasional local show off as well. Some pretty good stuff, but the Gumball cars are all back there. So they'll be going in and they'll be coming out this way. Rev it! Incoming. Hey, CGT! Rev it! Rev it! No revs on that one. So this here is my boy Jeremy. You can say hi to some if you're watching. So the both of us actually went for Gumball 3000 in 2016. So this is a bit of a reunion, almost, what, 8 years later? Or 8 years later. We have a car coming right now, so check this out. Oh, this is a Brabus 800, I think. Oh no, this is a local car. Hi guys! Ooh, that's a proper. This guy drove this all the way from Vietnam. That is sick. Huracan STO. Rev it! Welcome to Malaysia!
Thank you.
Welcome to Malaysia!
Thank you.
Oh, that's a Brabus 800 from Georgia. That's in the US.
Move out the way!
Long way from me. There's a big ruckus going on over there. And a Rolls Royce Cullinan with police lights. The time now is 10 o'clock, and the local car scene has been putting on more than a show, more of a show than Gumball itself. I think all the teams are running really late, but a lot of people from the local car scene have turned up, and it's created this massive line of people. I was just telling Jeremy I'm waiting for the part where all the teams from Gumball just start coming at the same time. It's getting kind of late at this point. having a technical issue with their car, so they're gonna be late, like really late. They're only arriving at 11:30, and the time now is 10:30. So Jeremy and I are kind of gonna stick it out. We're gonna wait. We're gonna continue to wait at the end of the line and see if we can pass DDE Nasi Lemak. So see how this works out.
New entrance this year, but Nico is definitely there alongside him. He has been a lot of fun on
It's not even a joke at this point. The local car scene is actually putting on more of a show than Gumball is. There's like one car arriving at a time, but it's taking super long. And look at that crowd over there. Everyone's just going crazy for it. Things have gone from bad to worse. It's starting to rain. Yeah, this isn't good. This isn't good. You can actually see the rain, dude. Oh my days, look at that. This isn't good. This isn't good. I don't want to get my camera wet either. Gotta move. This is not good. Everybody's running. It's getting really wet. Left, left, left. Go, 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 go. I got soaked. Lightened slightly, and that was what we missed just now. Gorgeous machine. Thoroughly American. I think it's from America, in fact, based on those planes. Rev it! Rev Welcome to Malaysia!
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I love this place, but my car's fucked.
All supercars incoming. 600 LT and GTR. So that guy just now, his name is Nico. He's one of these YouTubers as well. He does watches. He's friends with DDE, and he's been having electrical issues in his Ferrari since they left in Vietnam. So it's kind of a big deal that he even managed to make it a TRX.
Welcome to Malaysia, bro.
So the night's slowly starting to pick up now. More and more cars are starting to roll in.
Oh, memang extra mati. Extra mati. Hello, bro. Extra mati. Let's go.
I've never seen this before. MC20. This is Justin over here. From high school. We hear a V12. It has a really raspy exhaust note. We suspect it's DDE, so let's see whether we can make this happen. Whoa! Oh, they're here. It's so raspy. Windows are down, windows are down. There they are. Back up, guys, back up. Dave, Dave! Chiron, guys. Bugatti Chiron. Damn. These are the heavyweights. Everybody runs the crowd around these cars. It's insane. Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Oh shoot. Oh, we got two cars coming. Two cars coming in the same direction. And this is the Super Sport 300 edition, if I'm not wrong. Naked carbon fiber. Rev it! I want to give this to you guys. Take it. It didn't work. Security pushed me away. Damn, security pushed me away, dude.
Yeah, I saw
he
that.
saw the bag. He saw the bag. Well, guys, I tried, but security wasn't having it. He saw the bag. I saw his eyes make contact with the bag. He had this biggest grin on his face, and he just was like, there's too many people around me. And he looked like, yeah, it was just all a bit overwhelming. But you know what? At least I can say I tried. Yeah, that was pretty good. At least we got to see DD. But anyway, it's been good fun. I've been here since 6. The time now is, what time is it? 12:30. 12:30, yeah. It's 12:30. So yeah, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.